A very good morning and Jai Hind students. And this is Amit Kumar Gautam and you are watching my mathematics lecture of class 8, and this is your new book Indian Ika Learning Math site, and nowadays we are following this book chapter 3 and exercise 3.5. And in my recent video we talked about cube and cube root and how to find cube and how to find cube root. So let's start today's video by taking some examples and questions. In the last video we discussed some question orally, but in the today's video we learn how to do these questions, right? So your first question is find the cube of the following numbers, and I will do question first and A part and C part, right? So let us learn how to do these questions. Page number 38, exercise 3.5, and question number first, find cube of the following numbers, and your A part is 2 into 1 by 5. You can write into 11 by 5, and cube of 11 by 5 is given by 11 by 5 whole cube. That means 11 can be multiplied itself thrice and same as 5, right? What is the result? So the result so obtained is 1331 upon 125. Your next part is C part, and your question is 0.04, and we have to find the cube of 0.04. So there are two methods to solve this question. The first method is remove decimal by taking 20 in the denominator along with 1, right? So the number so obtained is 4 by 100. You can cancel both the number by 4. 4 1 ja 4, that means you will get 1, and 4 2 ja 8, the remainder is 2, 2 and 0, and 4 5 ja 20. So the number is 1 by 25. Now you can find the cube of 1 by 25. The cube is given by 1 by 25, multiply by 1 by 25, multiply by 1 by 25. So the required cube is 1 upon 15625, right? Or you can also do this question in this manner. Cube of 4 by 100 is given by 4 multiply 4 multiply 4, 100 multiply by 100 multiply by 100 and multiply by 100. 4 into 4 into 4 is what? It is 64. And what is the value of 100 into 100 into 100? It is 10 lakh, right? By dividing 64 you will get 0.000064, right? So there are two results of this part, C part, but both the parts are equivalent. You can leave your answer 1 by 5625, or you can leave here 0.000064. Both answers are equivalent and both are equally valuable, right? So please don't worry, you can choose any of one method described here, right? Both the methods are equally right. Now your question number 2 is which of the following numbers are cube of even number? You have to find which of the following numbers are the cube of even numbers, as the cube of every even number is even, and the cube of every odd number is again a odd number. So you can see it is cube of 9, right? And 9 is odd number, so the cube of 9, that is 729, is again a odd number. This is 1000, and you very well know the cube root of 1000 is 10, or you can say conversely 1000 is the cube of 10, and 10 is what? 10 is even number, so 1000 is also an even number, right? This means what? Which of the following numbers are the cube of even number? That means 729 is the cube of odd number, 1000 is cube of even number, and 2744 is again a cube of even number because it contains last digit even. And what about 6859? This is again cube of odd number, right? Now your next number is question number 3. Which of the following are perfect cube? That means we have to check whether the following forms a perfect cube or not. So we are having two methods. One is your successive subtraction, and your another method to find a number whether is a perfect cube or not, it is factorization. You can convert the given question 1728 in its prime factorization form, right? So we choose the second method here because जो आपका फर्स्ट मेथड है सक्सेसिव सब्ट्रैक्शन, उसकी कुछ लिमिटेशंस है, उसमें क्वेश्चन आप काफ़ी लॉन्ग प्रोसेस से कर दोगे, इसलिए आपको मेथड अप्लाई नहीं करना है. जहाँ जहाँ पूछा जाएगा सिर्फ वहीं नाम से, जहाँ नाम से पूछा जाएगा कि सोल्व दिस पार्ट बाय सक्सेसिव सब्ट्रैक्शन, तो ही आपको ये मेथड अप्लाई करना है. अदरवाइज़ आपको हमेशा प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन वाला मेथड अप्लाई करना है, राइट? चलिए तो सोल्व करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. All the parts of question number 3 are same, and I discuss only a part. Rest of the part of the question you have to do yourself, right? And your a part is 1728. So start factorizing the given number, right? So we can factorize the given number 1728 in this manner: 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 and so on up to 3, right? Now the prime factorization of the given number is given by, this is the prime factorization, and this is one pair, this is another pair and this is another pair of 3, right? तो इसमें 2 का एक पेयर अलग मिला, 2 का एक पेयर अलग मिला, 3 का एक अलग पेयर मिला, राइट? और मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया था जिसमें हमें पेयर कंप्लीट मिल जाएंगे, दैट्स योर नंबर इज़ परफेक्ट. अदरवाइज इट इज़ नॉट ए परफेक्ट क्यूब नंबर, राइट? इन द स्क्वायर और स्क्वायर रूट हमने क्या किया, वहाँ किया था हमने 2 के पेयर बनाए, बट इन द क्यूब रूट वी मेक द पेयर ऑफ 3 नंबर्स, राइट? नाउ वी कैन से दैट द प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन of 2728 contains a triplet of 2 and 3. That means, this means what? This means 1728 is a perfect cube number, right? Hence 1728 is a perfect cube, and in the same manner rest of the part of this question you can do yourself, right? The question 4 is find cube root of the following numbers by successive subtraction of 179 dot dot and dot, right? तो इस क्वेश्चन में हम फॉलो करेंगे सक्सेसिव सब्ट्रैक्शन बिकॉज इट इज मेंशन इन द गिवन क्वेश्चन, सक्सेसिव सब्ट्रैक्शन, राइट? Successive subtraction, right? And there are four parts in the question, and I will discuss part B and part D, right? So B part is 125. Your B part is 125, and this is first step of the question. In first step we subtract 1 cube, the remainder is 124, and in the second step we subtract 2 cube minus 1 cube from the result obtained in first step. Now the result is, subtract this from this, 124 minus 7, right? 117. And in the third step we subtract 3 cube minus 2 cube from what? From the result obtained in second step. That means we have to subtract 3 cube minus 2 cube from 117, and the result. And in the fourth step we have to subtract 4 cube minus 3 cube 98 minus 4 cube is 64, 3 cube is 27. So we have to subtract, and in the fifth step we have to subtract 5 cube minus 4 cube. That means 61 minus 5 cube is 125, 125 minus 64, right? So this is the result, that means 0. So in the fifth step the question is vanished, and I have already told you the number of steps in which your question is finished. The number of steps in which your question is finished is the required cube root of the given number, right? That means what? This means this is first step, second, third, fourth, fifth. Fifth means 5. So 5 is the cube root. 5 is the cube root of 125, right? This is your required result. Similarly, you can do C part of this same question, and your C part is 1000, right? And in the first step you have to do subtract 1 cube, you will get 99, right? In the second step you have to subtract 2 square minus 2 cube minus 1 cube, right? That means you have to subtract 7 from here. You will get what? You will get 992. In the third step we have to subtract 3 cube minus 1 cube. That means if you remember the value of this, you can directly subtract the value 19, right? And in the same manner you can do this question until this finish, right? So in how many steps this question finish? So this question finish in 10 steps. So the required cube root of the 1000 is 10, right? You have to do this part and the rest of two part, that means A part and D part, do yourself these parts, right? So similarly you can do this part, that means this question vanish in 10 steps. So 10 is the required cube root of 1000, right? So you can do this part and rest of two part, A part and D part. If you able to see the question number 5, find the cube root of the following numbers by finding their ones and tens digit. So we have to use ones and tens digit to find the cube root of the following numbers, right? So in the question number 5 I will discuss only two parts, part A and part C, and rest of two part, B part, D part, do yourself, okay? Question 5, A part, and your A part is 3375, right? It is given that the ones digit is 5 and the tens digit is 7, right? Students, this is very effective method to find cube root of a number, right? This is ones digit 5, and you can see the table of cube and cube root. This is the table of cube and cube root. See carefully this table, right? Here this is 5, this is 5, and cube of 5 is 125, right? This means what? This means if the cube number is 125, then its cube root exactly contains 5. अगर किसी नंबर की लास्ट डिजिट 5 आई है और वो परफेक्ट क्यूब है, इसका मीनिंग क्या हुआ? इसका मीनिंग ये है कि उसका क्यूब रूट जो आने वाला है वो भी अपने अंदर 5 को कंटेन करेगा. इट इज़ नेसेसरी, राइट? Similarly, if end digit is 4, I am talking about 64. If ending digit is 64, so what can we do? This means what? Its cube root must contain 4. It is 27. If one's digit, that means unit digit is 7, then its cube root contains 3. If one's digit is 8, then its cube root contains 2, right? Similarly, in the given question, what is our given question? Our given question is 3375, and here the one's digit is 75, that means 5. So it is must, it contains 5. That means the cube root of 3375 must contain 5. The cube root of 3375 must contains 5. Now in the second step, you have to hide its 3 numbers, right? Just 3 numbers. आपने इस 3 नंबर को हाइड कर लिया. Now pick the rest numbers. It is only 3, right? Now pick the rest numbers, and your rest number is 3. Now you have to find a number whose cube is less than or equals. I'm talking about less than or equals. This means what? If there exists a number whose cube, yes, there is a number 1 cube, because 1 cube is what? 1 cube is 1 and 1 is less than 3, right? तो 1 एक ऐसा नंबर है जिसका क्यूब खुद 1 है और 1 3 से कैसा है? छोटा है. इफ द गिवन, इफ इट दिस नंबर इज लेस देन 3, दैट मीन्स दिस 1 you have to write here. This means what? 3375, the cube root of 3375 is 15. So 15 is the required cube root, right? अगर किसी के समझ में ये पार्ट अभी तक भी नहीं आया है तो सेकंड पार्ट डिस्कस करने जा रहा हूँ, वहाँ ध्यान से समझिएगा. फॉलो द फॉलोइंग स्टेप्स. दिस इज द मेथड बिकॉज 3 cube is 27, right? And 9 cube is 729. अभी आपको ये नहीं देखना है तो राइट इसका एक क्यूब हो जाने वाला है, बट हम यहाँ मेथड डिस्कस कर रहे हैं तो हम मेथड पे ध्यान देंगे. हम ये नहीं ध्यान देंगे कि ये राइट 9 का ही क्यूब है, राइट? चलिए देखते हैं. सो 9 क्यूब कंटेन्स 9 इन द लास्ट डिजिट, राइट? सो यू हैव टू राइट 9 हियर. नाउ लेफ्ट 3 डिजिट, इसकी 3 डिजिट ली, उनको हाइड कर दिया. उसके बाद यहाँ क्या बचने वाला है आपका? कुछ नहीं बचेगा. दैट मीन्स 0. अगर 0 बचा है, कुछ बचा ही नहीं, तो 0 से छोटा कोई ऐसा नंबर क्या एग्जिस्ट करेगा जिसका परफेक्ट क्यूब पॉसिबल है? यस, नेगेटिव्स हो सकते हैं, बट क्या नेगेटिव का कभी भी क्यूब रूट या क्यूब पॉजिटिव हो सकता है? द आंसर इज नो. दैट मीन्स यू हैव टू टेक 0. So the cube root of 729 is 09, right? Now we discuss C part, and your C part is 4096, and we have to find the cube root of 4096. So the unit digit is 6, right? और 6 जो है किस नंबर का क्यूब हो सकता है, मतलब किस नंबर के क्यूब में 6 आता है, आपको ये चेक करना है, राइट? सो 2 क्यूब इज़ 8, 3 क्यूब इज़ 9, 4 क्यूब इज़ व्हाट? 64. बट यू हैव टू चेक फॉर 6. बट व्हाट इज़ द क्यूब ऑफ 6? 6 का क्यूब कितना होता है बताइए ज़रा? 216. यस, द क्यूब ऑफ 6 इज़ 216. Students, one thing always keep in your mind while doing these questions, you have to learn the cube and cube root of 1 to 10 numbers, right? अगर आपको 1 से 10 तक के सभी नंबर का क्यूब लर्न है, अच्छे से लर्न है, तो भी आप ये मेथड अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. अदरवाइज़ आप इस मेथड को अप्लाई नहीं कर पाएंगे, राइट? सो आपको ये देखना है 6 किस डिजिट के क्यूब के अंदर आता है, तो 6 जो 6 के ही क्यूब के अंदर आता है, राइट? इसका मीनिंग क्या हुआ? इसका मीनिंग ये हुआ कि आपको ये 6 को यहाँ पर लिख देना है. नाउ इसके बाद आपको ये लास्ट के 3 डिजिट हैं, इसको लीव कर देना है, लेफ्ट करिए, इसको छोड़ दिया. सो द नंबर ऑफ 10 इज़ व्हाट? the number is now 4. Now you have to take a number whose cube is either less than or just equal. So 1 is the number whose cube is again 1 and 1 is less than 4. आपको ये नंबर या तो लेस लेना है या ऑलवेज इसके इक्वल लेना है, बिकॉज 4 इज नॉट अ परफेक्ट क्यूब. दैट्स वाई वी आर टेकिंग अ नंबर लेस than 4, right? So you have to take this one along with this 6. That means the cube root of 4096 is 16, right? चलिए इसका लास्ट पार्ट भी मैं ही डिस्कस कर देता हूँ आप लोगों के साथ में. एंड द लास्ट पार्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन इज 1 2 1 6 7, right? And we have to find the cube root this. So check the unit digit. The unit digit is 7 और 7 किस नंबर के क्यूब में आता है? 3 का क्यूब होता है 27. दैट मीन्स 27 कंटेन्स 7. क्या कोई और नंबर ऐसा एग्जिस्ट करता है जिसका क्यूब 7 को अपने अंदर कंटेन करता है? चलिए देखते हैं. सो 1 से 10 तक एक ऐसा नंबर एग्जिस्ट करता है जिसका क्यूब 7 को कंटेन करता है. सो द नंबर इज 3. व्हाट इज़ द नंबर? द नंबर इज 3 बिकॉज 3 का क्यूब 7 को कंटेन करता है, राइट? अब आपको क्या करना है, ये 3 डिजिट जो है अब आपको इनको थोड़ी देर के लिए भूल जाना है. नाउ द नंबर ऑब्टेन इज वो 12. सो राइट दिस नंबर इन योर फेयर रफ कॉपी 12, राइट? एंड अब आपको एक नंबर ऐसा लेना है जो इससे छोटा हो और परफेक्ट क्यूब हो. सो द परफेक्ट क्यूब इज 2 बिकॉज 2 क्यूब इज वॉट? सॉरी, क्यूब मीन्स 3 and 2 cube is what? 8. 8 is less than 12. That means what? 8 less than 12. But 8 किसका क्यूब हुआ? 2 का. So you have to take 2, not 8. कभी आप 8 लिख दें, 2 लिखना है आपको, 8 नहीं लिखना है, right? So the required number is the cube of 23. Conversely, you can say 12167 is cube root. This is the symbol of cube root. This is the symbol of cube root. So the given number is cube root of 23. And this is question number 6. Find the cube root of the following numbers by using prime factorization, right? और प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन से क्यूब रूट फाइंड करना बहुत इजी है. सो हम पहले इसका ए पार्ट डिस्कस करेंगे. 2197. योर ए पार्ट इज 2197. सो इसको फैक्टराइज करना शुरू करते हैं, देखते हैं क्या वैल्यू आने वाली है. द गिवन प्राइम द ऑब्टेन्ड प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन इज 13 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 13 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 13. सो वी कैन राइट दिस 13 इंटू 13 इंटू 13 एंड वी आर हैविंग a triplet of 13, right? This means what? This implies that the cube root of 2197 cube root, this is symbol of cube root, right? The cube root of the given number is 13, right? And the B part of the question is, sorry, we discuss C part. B part you have to do yourself, and C part is 6859, right? आपको सेम इसका फैक्टराइजेशन करना है. देखिए फैक्टराइजेशन स्टार्ट करते हैं. एंड दिस इज द प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन ऑफ 6859, 19, 19 एंड 19. सो 6859 कैन बी रिटन इन द फॉर्म 19 into 19 and into 19. This means what? This means the required cube root of 6859 is 19. Why? Because we are having a triple pair. We are having a triple pair of 19, right? That means the given number is a perfect cube and the cube root of the given number is 19. Question number 7. Find the values of the following. And in this question we do the part B and part C, right? हम B और C part करने वाले हैं. And your B part is cube root of 1125 into 1944. आपको इसको प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन कर देना है, इसका भी और इसका भी, ठीक है। चलिए तो देखते हैं क्या रखते हैं प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन। दिस इज द रिक्वायर्ड प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन, राइट। there is one triplet of 5 and this is one triple of 3, this is one triple of 2, right, and 4 3, this is one pair, and we have to make along with this one another pair, right. But what about the this number? This is unpair, that means the given number is not a perfect cube, right. But in the answer this is given that this given number, this b part is a perfect cube, so it is wrong in your answer sheet, right. And d part, d part is 5 8 3 2 6 8 5 9. Start factorize the denominator and this numerator. The required prime factorization of this number is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 and multiply by 3 3 3 and another pair of 3 3 and multiply 3. The prime factorization of 6859 is 19 into 19 and into 19. There is one pair of 2, one pair of 3 and one pair of 3. This pair contains 3, right. So you can say this is triplet. And one pair of what? 19. So the required cube root is given by take 1 2 out of these 3 2's and 1 3 and 1 3 from this pair, right, and 119 from this pair. So this is the required cube root. 3 3 is 9, 9 2 is 18. So 18 by 19 is the required cube root of your given number, right. This is your final answer of this question. Question number 8, and question is find the volume of a cube if each of its as measures 5.2 centimeter, right. Question number 8, that means there is a cube and you very well know what is cube, whose dimensions are equal, that means length, breadth and height. Suppose its side is 5.2 centimeter, side of cube, side of cube. Now volume of cube, and you very well know what is the volume of cube, side into side into side, that means side cube. And what is the measurement of side? The measurement of side is 5.2. now you can multiply 5.2 itself thrice, so you will get the answer in centimeter cube because it is the unit, right. And your next question is find the smallest number by which 2025 must be multiplied to make it a perfect cube. Also find the cube root of the number thus obtained. सो आपको एक ऐसा नंबर ढूंढना है जिसकी से मल्टीप्लाई करने पर ये नंबर परफेक्टली क्यूब बन जाए। तो आपको क्या करना है, इसका प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करना है। प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करने के बाद जिस नंबर का पेयर नहीं मिल पाएगा उसका आपको पेयर कंप्लीट बनाना है। जब ये पेयर बन जाएगा उसके बाद आपका क्वेश्चन सोल्व हो जाना है। The prime factorization of 2025 is given by 2025. The required prime factorization is 3 multiply by 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 5 into 5 into 5, right. There is one pair of 3 and this is alone and one pair of 5, but 3 का कोई पेयर नहीं मिला। दैट मीन्स इस नंबर में अगर आपको 5 का पेयर बनाना है तो एक तो आपको 5 की रिक्वायरमेंट है, और अगर 3 का पेयर बनाना है तो आपको 2 इसमें 3 इंक्लूड करने होंगे, राइट। चलिए, सो द गिवन क्वेश्चन डज नॉट contain triple pair pair of 3 and 5. So we need to multiply 3 into 5, sorry, 3 multiply 3 multiply 5, right, in the given number. That means 3 3 is 9 and 9 5 is 45. So we need to multiply 45 in the given number. आपको ये सब लिख देना है. So we need to multiply 45 in the given number to make it perfect cube. Now the question is, you have to also find the cube root of the given number so obtained, right? As we are already having the prime factorization 3 3 and 3 3 5 and 5, right, and we already multiply in the given number by 45. So you have to multiply 45 both the sides, in this side and in right hand side, right? You will get 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 3. 4 3 तो आपके पास अवेलेबल हैं. आपने 2 टाइम 3 के मल्टीप्लाई किया, उसके बाद आपका ये आपके पास अवेलेबल थे. एक 5 को और मल्टीप्लाई किया, उसी के बाद तो 9 और ये 5 मिल करके 45 बना. इसका मतलब ये हुआ 3 का एक पेयर कंप्लीट हुआ, 3 का एक पेयर और कंप्लीट हुआ, और 5 का एक पेयर और कंप्लीट हुआ. दिस मीन्स व्हाट? दिस मीन्स नाउ द क्यूब रूट ऑफ गिवन नंबर इसका परफेक्ट क्यूब क्या हो जाने वाला है? 3 इंटू 3 इंटू 5, राइट. 3 3 जा 9, 9 5 जा 45. सो 45 इज़ द रिक्वायर्ड क्यूब रूट, राइट. 45 ही आपका वो नंबर है जिसके आपने मल्टीप्लाई की, और 45 ही इस नंबर का क्यूब रूट आया, राइट. सो इस वीडियो में इतना ही. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए बाय. जय हिंद टू ऑल. स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ.